Poor air quality isn't a problem outside. Yes, it's a problem inside too. For example, long-term exposure of intense sticks is bad for our health. That's what we can see. How about what we can't see? For example, paint. It contains harmful VOCs, including formaldehyde. What should we do? Get yourself an air purifier like Dyson Purifier Cool Formaldehyde. It can capture dust, allergens, and virus, and 99.95% of pollutants as small as 0.1 microns. Yes, it can also detect and destroy formaldehyde continuously. Alright, let's have a closer look now. This is Dyson Purifier Cool Formaldehyde TP09 Air Purifier. It is loaded with an extra solid-state sensor that's able to detect formaldehyde molecules, and catalytic filters that continuously traps and breaks down formaldehyde molecules when compared to TP07 model. Everything else is the same between these two models. As you can see, everything comes well protected. Take your time to unbox it. Meet the stylish TP09 Air Purifier. Excellent build quality as you can expect from Dyson. The whole machine is fully sealed to HEPA H13 standard, a tall one as you can see. Here are the standard on-off button and interactive LCD screen with a lot of useful information. Yup, Dyson Air Multipliers technology can purify air to every corner of the room. TP09 is loaded with a lot of sensors. There is a solid-state formaldehyde sensor on top of the particle, N2O, VOC, temperature, and humidity sensors. And this is where all the filters are located. Amplifier loops that provides a powerful stream of purified airflow that cool you down, and 20% quieter than the previous model. Diffuse mode which diverts airflow through back of the machine to purify without cooling you. Curve and magnetized remote control that can store neatly on top of the machine. Lastly, 1.8 meter power cord with UK plug. As for accessory, check out the lovely remote control. Glossy surface with gold in color. Curve in shape and magnetized. This is the IR transmitter. And here is the battery. Important safety information in multiple languages. A very useful quick start guide. Take your time to go through it. These are all the filters for TP09. Do take note that TP07 does not have the blue one. Have a closer look at the HEPA Plus carbon filter. It meets HEPA H13 standard, can capture viruses and 99.95% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. The layer of activated carbons also remove odors and gases including VOCs. This is Dyson Selective Catalytic Oxidation filters that continuously destroy formaldehyde at a molecule level. Its billions of atom-sized tunnels are the optimized size and shape to trap and destroy formaldehyde, breaking it down into tiny amounts of water and CO2. It then regenerates from oxygen in the air and keep destroying it continuously without ever requiring replacement. Before starting to use TP09, you need to install all the filters manually. It is very simple to do so. First of all, remove the adhesive tabs, remove both shrouds, install the catalytic filter first, followed by HEPA Plus carbon filter. Finally, put back the shroud. Repeat the same steps on the other side. That's all. You can start to use your Dyson Air Purifier now. Power on and leave it. The auto mode will do all the jobs for you then. Yes, the onboard sensor will intelligently adjust settings according to your room air quality. It will increase the airflow speed when air quality is degraded. Slow down and stop oscillations sometime when back to normal quality. Of course, you can control it manually as well. The handy remote control will help. Cycle through all the information menu. Everything will be displayed on the LCD screen. Current air quality, 24 hours AQ, PM 2.5, PM 10, formaldehyde, VOC, nitrogen dioxide, temperature, humidity, filter life, and Wi-Fi status. Control the airflow speed from 1 to 10 or put it in auto mode. Change the airflow direction from front to back. Enjoy purified air without cooling. Turn it back to the front again to enjoy both. Turn on oscillations mode at 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, or 350 degree. Or turn it off. Totally up to you. The last one, night mode and sleep timer. Set the required timer that you need. Turn on the night mode. The LCD screen will be dim and use the quietest setting to cool and purify. Control and monitor your air quality from anywhere you want with the Dyson Link app. You can control TP09 just like using remote control, but with a better GUI this time. Personally, I'm using Dyson Link more than the remote control itself. The smartphone is much closer with us, right? You can do a lot of stuff with Dyson Link. Get your current place outdoor air quality information. Check the indoor air quality for the past 7 days. As you can see, the PM 2.5 reached up to extremely poor during Friday afternoon. That's when I ran all the tests. The VOC level also behaved the same. No NO2 were detected back then, and formaldehyde was increased due to the paint tests. All the information is well explained. Just go through them one by one. Take your time to learn. Alright, here are the settings that you can configure on your machine. Most of them are common stuff. The one that you need to look into is the filter life and continuous monitoring. Another very useful features, scheduling. Set whenever you want to turn on the machine. Configure all the required mode that you need, then set it. There is a guide to help you to use the machine as well. Be sure to go through them one by one. FYI, Dyson Skill isn't supported in Malaysia yet. Dyson TP09 is an excellent air purifier, period. As you can see, there is a lot of smoke from incense sticks right now. The flow is going upward. TP09 detected it straight away once turned on, and increased the airflow level after that. All the smoke is being pulled toward the filter right now. Rest assured that you are getting the fresh and purified air in the end. Another example, paint which contain harmful VOCs including formaldehyde. As you can see, the PM 2.5 level did not increase at all when the paint was put beside the air purifier. FYI, most air purifier is equipped with particle sensor only, and they won't react to VOCs as TP09 does. Therefore, they are not working their job because airflow is not increased, even have a carbon filter. Dyson TP09 can cover the whole large living room by itself without an additional fan. Thanks to air multiplier technology, it can draw in instant pollutants and project purified air throughout the room. Based on my tests, you can feel mild wind with level 2 airflow from 1 meter away from TP09. Level 4, Airflow can reach up to 2 meters, and so on. Max airflow can reach 5 meters. Best with air conditioner if you live in a hot weather country like mine, Malaysia. And here is the diffuse mode, which diverts airflow through back of the machine. Enjoy purified air without cooling. How about the noise level? It's 20% quieter than the previous model. You will notice the noise much with level 4 airflow and below. You will start to notice it from level 5 onward in a quiet room. Alright, let's have a look at the filters after 2 weeks of usage. The filters removal is as simple as the installation. Just pull down the shroud release button and take out both HEPA Plus carbon filter. Gently pull out the catalytic filter too. Remove the HEPA Plus carbon filter from the shroud. As you can see, there is a lot of dust on top of the mass filter. Tiny round in shape, same as the route hose. The HEPA filter does all the heavy-duty tasks, so we won't be able to see anything in the carbon layer with our naked eyes. The same applies to the catalytic filter. Personally, I use a vacuum to clean the dust on the mass filter. Install them back once clean. That's it. Yes, the air is cleaner and better, thanks to fully sealed HEPA 13 standard filtration. And the catalytic filters helps to destroy formaldehyde too. You can place Dyson TP09 at any place that you prefer. Living room, bedroom, study room, dining room, kitchen or office. Totally up to you. And it is children safe and friendly. No accessible fan blade as you can see. No worry about kids running around here and there too. It's stable on minor knock. Great, right? Well, that's pretty much cover everything of this Dyson Purifier Cool Formaldehyde. Enjoy cleaner air quality. Stylish and elegant outlook. Perfect for both home and office. Our help is priceless. Do get yours with the link below. Thanks. Don't forget the 2-year worry-free warranty too. That's all for now. I'm Jace and glad to see you here. Peace.